So here's a thought for you for today. Imagine if a Defender and a G-Wagon had a baby. Think about that. Welcome to what I'm calling Cars and Coffee. I'm not reinventing the wheel. It's just me having coffee, talking about cars. So with that being said, let's jump into it. So while in China, we got to see and witness something pretty spectacular. This is the ICAR V23, and yes, it's confirmed for South African shores in 2026. But just look at it, it looks so good. I really love it. It looks like a Defender and a Jimny were in love in some sort of extramarital affair, and they just produced this bastard of a child. And look at it, it just looks so freaking amazing. Don't you just love the styling from it? Oh, I love it so much. Let's be honest, this hits all the South African favorites with its mixture of a Land Cruiser for the Pretoria Oaks, a G-Wagon for the Umhlanga residents, and even a Defender for those Constantia moms. This is honestly a very beautifully designed car. Notably, the V23 does pay homage to all of the classic variants of these cars, but not in a terrible, copy-paste way. It's its own sort of design, and I really love the design because it sort of is boxy, but not jagged boxy. It's kind of going away from that bougie sort of style we're used to seeing in these other high-end vehicles. But I can't tell you how much I really love the design, but not specifically because of what it looks like, but because of how functional it is. But before we talk about the styling, let's talk about the drivetrain. So you get two motor variants here. The single motor variant comes with a 60 kilowatt hour battery that gives you about 400 kilometers of range, and is based on a lithium iron phosphate battery science. The dual motor comes with an 82 kilowatt hour battery that gives you roughly an acclaimed 501 kilometers of range, and is based on a nickel magnesium cobalt battery science. All right, back to design. Now, I'm sure there's some design elements that have caught your eye, and I honestly love the off-roader 4x4 vibe that it's going for. I'm here for it. Let's start off with the front, which has this clamshell hood and these rounded lights that really play into that 4x4 aesthetic that the V23 is going for. Sides are tough and built from materials that you don't have to worry about because they are made from materials that are purpose-built to take a beating. The rear extends the charm of the V23's rugged aesthetic with its side-opening tailgate, the backpack storage, and this really cool matrix-style tail lights that are designed after a military fuel cap. So what I think the V23's design was going for was rugged, but also functional, as this thing looks like it was made for the outdoors. While we weren't given any real-world experience to drive the V23, it does come with an approach angle of 43 degrees, a departure angle of 41 degrees, and a ground clearance of 212 millimeters. So I think the dual motor variant is going to be a 4x4 champion. Beyond that, they say it comes with a lot of options to customize, including modular body parts, interior upgrades, off-road accessories, and aesthetic options, making it easy to tailor for your own personal style and adventures. And look, they even teased us with a small bucky concept. How cool is that, eh? The interior is minimal with a simple multifunctional steering wheel, a floating center console, and a wireless charger. The dashboard has a free design that emphasizes the central touchscreen. However, this isn't the only tech in and around the car. There are a number of cameras, radars, and ultrasonic sensors for precision object detection, which makes it a really smart box on wheels. I really love the V23. What do you think though? Is it a yay or a nay? Do you see this on South African roads? Drop a comment. Let's talk about it. That's it for this episode. I'll see you guys in the next one.